My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2017 Audi A4. This vehicle has done just under 73,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a petrol fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, and on the right we have navigation, voice control, automatic headlights and automatic wipers. Moving on to our screen, we can get quick access to navigation, Bluetooth, radio and media. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with front and rear parking sensors. Just below the screen we have our 3-zone climate control, as well as heated seats on either side. Just below we have our drive select, which gives us the option to choose between 5 different driving modes, including efficiency, comfort, auto, dynamic and individual. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.